Hi, I'm Mark Allen, and this is Expert Village. All right, now we have the sandwich. Let's dress it just a little bit. Some olives. Now, kids always love olives, so I always used to put out just black olives. Yep, good. But as the kids got older, I found different kinds of olives. These are olive-cured olives, and they're delicious, and they really complement the sandwich. One last kind of olive. It's a green olive. And this is really a martini olive, and I really didn't give the martini part to my kids. I still don't. But the olives go well, too. So there we go. We have the Daddy Sandwich. Enjoy. For Expert Village, I'm Mark Allen.